Building AI agents has never been as easy thanks to Langflow's new capabilities. They have released a new feature wherein you can build AI agents, connect it with various tools very quickly. In this quick demo, I am going to show you how to get started with it. Just type in data stack Langflow. So Langflow is an open source that is being hosted easily by the data stacks, and this is an IBM product right now. So you just need to just log in. As you can see, try for free. And you need to sign in with your login details that are there. So I have already signed in with my I have already registered with my Google. So you just need to sign up. It will just take it is setting up the provision, and it is opening the Langflow document that is there. There are some support chats that I'm going to close now. So this is how it looks like, right? What I'm going to do is that you can click new flow. There are some workflow templates that you can start using. You can start using simple agent, but I want you to start showing with a blank flow how to make it, so that you can from the fresh canvas without anything, how you can start building an agent step by step. So if you can see on the left, there are components. The first component that we are going to pick up is the agent. So the agent is there. You need to add your OpenAI key. I have already added my OpenAI key. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So here is the my tools. If you can see, it is the agent. It is the description. This is my main agent. Right now I am having a very simple instruction. You are a helpful system that can use tools to answer your question. So now, just to tell you guys agents, what is the thing that we want to show here, how we can connect our agent to various different tools like calculator, a website, URL extractor, and get some information about a particular info. So now I can write here using tools and perform task, use perform task, use the tool website to get information. So I am here adding my decoding data science website, and I want only the answers to come from that particular website that is there. Use the tool website to get the information only. If answer not there, politely decline and ask it to talk about only DDS. Okay, so this is my basic thing. Now what I'm going to do is I want to add my website to this particular thing, and I want to do that so that the answer is only going to come from my website. So I will just type here URL. Once I type here URL, I will just plus here. Now this is my URL. Now if you can see, I'm going to make it a tool mode. So this is going to be acting like a tool, and I'm going to collect my agent to this tool. So this is the first part, and whatever URL I put here, it is going to get it from here, and let us see how it works. So for any chatbot, what is the two things that are important? One is the input and the output. So the chat input and the chat output. So we can go here. If you can see the input, first you will take the chat output. The chat output is here. So this is the input. So we need to just connect this input, and now if you know the last thing is the output. So the output, I am just going to click the get the output, and if you can see from here, response, it goes to the output. So now let us try to build this particular check out this particular agent, how it is working. So if you can see new chat, when is AI residency? What is AI residency? Because this is a program. What is AI residency? So once I click send, so this is trying to understand if the agent is going to take the input, then it is going to get the information. So here if you can see how is it working, the input and this is here is the output, and is it going to the tool? If you want to see in the details, okay, let us see this thing. Let us ask a specific question, that is tell me what is in the data, what is in the tell me what is talking about. So now this particular first thing, it has just given the answer from the LLM. Now when I ask a specific question, it is, see, if you can see, it is running, it is taking time because it is picking up the tool and going to that particular information that is there. It's taking some time, if you can see. So it took some time, it is still revolving. So what it is trying to do is, I have asked a question, if you can see, tell me what the website is talking about. So it is going to take do some steps, and I think it has done some steps. If you can see, finished. So it took 5 seconds. So it took the input, it took the URL, so it is now taking the tool, then it is giving the output, it is getting all the output, and then it is summarizing it, it is getting the output, it is understanding everything, and then the tool is, it is taking some time, and then the output is giving us the website provided. So it gives us all the breakdown of everything that we are doing. So